Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video, I would like to give you an overview of my online course, Power Cable Fundamentals. Please note that with the completion of this online course, you will get a certificate of completion that you can show to your employer or potential employers that you have mastered the fundamental concepts of power cables. If you're interested, I have put the link to this course in the YouTube video description below. With this course, you will gain the fundamental knowledge of power cables. You will also learn the various cable testing methodologies, as well as the manufacturing and the installation process for power cables. This course is for professionals who are interested working with power cables, as well as people who just got a job in the utility or cable manufacturing industry and look for ways to get foundation knowledge. Lastly, this course is for students and engineers to learn more about the different parts of a power cable and what would cause it to fail. So now let us go over what is being covered in this course. Well, first of all, our first section is the Power Cable Fundamentals section, where you are going to learn about the most basic information about power cables, as well as the concept of ampacity. Moving on from the fundamentals section, you will now go to look at the different parts of a power cable. So we will go over the conductors within a power cable, as well as its varying properties, the insulation layer of power cables, the shield and armor layer of power cables, shield grounding for power cables, and lastly, we're going to look at the various terminations and joints that you will see for power cables. Our third section, we will talk about the various power cable testing methodologies. And after that, we will also look at the various issues that you will see that might cause power cables to fail, such as the corrosion of concentric neutral, as well as the concept of treeing. Lastly, we will end this course with our power cable manufacturing and installation section. So within this section, we will first look at how power cables are being manufactured. And then we will close off this course with a look at cable pulling, which is a set of calculations that you will need when you are pulling power cables through ductwork. And this basically sums up what is contained in this online course. Now, of course, I do have other courses that I made available in various online portals that offer certificate of completion, as well as teaching you the fundamental important concepts for your career within the utility, as well as the energy industry. Another way that you can connect with me is through Twitter and YouTube. So if you want to connect me in Twitter, you could actually look at my Twitter handle, EE Bootcamp, in which you can look at the latest news in the world of electrical engineering. And of course, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel to get the latest free training videos, as I offer a lot of non-certificate completion online courses, mini courses, as well as other interesting concepts regarding to the utility and the energy world. And lastly, of course, I have left the link for this course in the YouTube video description. So if you're interested in enrolling this course, please click the link in the YouTube video description below. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my courses.